Amy Edmondson, and I'm an Iowa State student, and I want to be a third grade teacher someday, so I'm going to practice with you and see how it goes. Today we're going to learn about story problems, and I'm going to teach you a strategy that really helps me out when I'm trying to decide if it's multiplication or what it is exactly. So first, we're going to go through some multiplication just to freshen up, make sure we know our facts. Can you answer this?
8.
Yes.
4.
Yes.
42.
Very good.
20. 16.
Try that one again.
14.
Yep, very good.
12.
Yep. 2 more.
18.
Yes.
And 30.
Very good. Okay. Now that I know that you are pretty good at your multiplication facts, I'm going to teach you a strategy. It's called the peel strategy. What do you think of when you hear the word peel?
Like taking layers off?
Yeah,
or?
like peeling a banana, fruit, something like that. Well, this is called the peel strategy for mathematics, and I am going to teach you it. Okay, this is the acronym PEEL, and in mathematics, for each equation that we have, we're going to start off with the P, and that is going to be the picture. In our pictures, we could have an equation like there are 2 cars, in each car there are 4 people. So we know with our picture, we're going to draw 4 cars. And your pictures, they don't have to be perfect, they just, as long as you can figure out that there's 4, that's all that matters. So now, with our picture, we know that there's 3 people in each one. So when we do that, it doesn't have to be pretty, you can just do tally marks and give each person 3. Okay, all of these having 3, do you know what this is? If you put all these together, what this would add up to be?
12.
Very good. So with our photo, or for our picture, we can see it right there. So P is for picture. Next is the equation. With our equation, we can see how many groups there are and how many are in each group. So how many cars are there?
4.
4. And how many are in each car?
3.
So what would our equation be?
4 times 3.
Very good. 4 times 3. So we have our picture for P, equation for E, and it's 4 times 3. So what is 4 times 3?
12.
12. So A stands for answer. And we're going to put 12. So we have P for picture, we draw it out. E for equation, we write out the equation. A is answer, and our answer was 12. Now we have to know 12 what? We have 12 apples, 12 balloons. We have to label it. So the L is for label. So what would we say we have 12 of what?
People.
Very good. So L is for label, and we have 12 people. Okay. So P for picture, E for equation, A for answer, and L for label. Now I'm going to have you try this out on your own and see how you do. I'm going to give you a note card right here. And you can draw it out here, or if you need more room, you can draw it out there. But this will be your final paper. me see. All right, so you started off with P. What does the P stand for again?
Picture.
Very good. And then we went to the E. What's the E stand for?
Equation.
Very good. And then the A
Answer.
and the L?
Label.
Very good. You did all of these correctly. Notice that her photo doesn't have to be elaborate, doesn't have to be something big. It's just something simple and easy for you to see and understand. So when do you think it's a good idea to use little tricks like this? Do you use it with addition or multiplication? Or do you think you can use it with all types of different math equations?
I think you could use it with all different types.
Exactly. You can use it with addition, subtraction, multiplication. It's just a different way to help you figure out the answer. It helps you see it. You're good with pictures or with numbers. And it just helps you remember to label it as well with your answer. So thank you so much for helping me out today. You did very well.